Howdy everyone, Mechanical Pencil Lord here with an exciting new video. Today I will be showing you how to do the thought to be impossible act of replacing the lead in the Paper Mate SharpWriter mechanical pencil. Yes, you can do it, and it is actually quite easy. But first, I would like to start with my talking point of the day, which is the decision of why I have decided to reject God as my creator. Now, some of you may know that I used to be a deeply faithful man, and I've even starved myself for 18 days straight in an attempt to feel one with the prophets that have come before me. However, that is no more. Over the past few years, I have come to realize the malice in this world and in my life. I fail to find the meaning in any of it, especially in my own life. If there is a God, he cannot be benevolent. If there is a God, there is not a kind bone in his body. If there is a God, he fucking hates me! So anyways, today we will be...
Hey, open up! I said open up, motherfucker!
Get the fuck away!
Oh shit! Ow! Oh, my eye! Ah! 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 Oh my fucking god. Come on. Don't be a pussy. You can do it. Just fucking finish the fucking job! You can do it.
Okay, so as I was saying, to replace the lead in the Paper Mate SharpWriter, it's actually a pretty simple process. First, you start with taking the back eraser off, and then you twist the top counterclockwise like that until the little back lead component comes out. And then your lead would probably be pretty low, so you would take this lead out. I'm going to use the new one, or the same one, but you can just grab a new one, and then you just line it back up, stick it in like that. Be very careful. The lead is pretty delicate. And then you just find a little spring in here, and you stick it back inside the spring, and then you twist clockwise this time. Actually, I'm not sure. You twist so the lead comes out the top here. And then you stick the eraser in, and voila! You've replaced the lead in your Paper Mate SharpWriter here. Number 2 lead, made in the USA. Great pencil. You can buy a ton of them for very cheap. Great for the price that it is. Yeah, so if y'all have any questions, be sure to leave a comment. And subscribe and like this video for more. And yeah, Mechanical Pencil Lord out.